Hello and welcome to our YouTube video about ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In this video, we will explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and its potential uses. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced natural language processing tool that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of inputs. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which is a deep learning model that has been trained on vast amounts of text data. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT uses a process called deep learning, which involves training the model on a massive corpus of text data. This data includes everything from news articles and books to social media posts and chat logs. The model then uses this data to learn patterns and relationships between words, phrases, and concepts. Once trained, ChatGPT can generate responses to any given input. This input can be in the form of text, speech, or even images. ChatGPT analyzes the input, searches for similar patterns in its vast database, and generates an appropriate response based on its understanding of the language. Potential uses of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential uses, including 1. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can handle customer inquiries and provide support. 2. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and other written content. 3. Education. ChatGPT can be used to create interactive educational resources, such as chatbots that help students learn a new language. 4. Personal assistants. ChatGPT can be used to create virtual personal assistants that can help users with a wide range of tasks, such as scheduling appointments or making reservations. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an advanced natural language processing tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. With its ability to generate human-like responses to a wide range of inputs, it has the potential to be used in a wide range of applications, from customer service to education to personal assistance. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Thank you for watching.